Put an egg in Coca Cola and you'll thank me later. In a bowl, add 2 eggs along with 250 milliliters of Coca Cola. Beat everything very well. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, keep interacting with this video. That way you won't miss any of our recipes. Add a cup of chocolate powder. Mix everything together. Add 150 milliliters of milk. 1 tablespoon of butter. 2 cups of wheat flour. Mix everything together very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe at the end of this video from 0 to 10, so I know how much you liked it. I can't wait to find out. Add a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again. Pour the mixture into a pan greased with flour and butter. Now bake at 200 degrees for 35 minutes. And our recipe is ready. It's perfect. I'm going to finish it off by putting a chocolate ganache on top. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know what you think. The most delicious dessert I've ever made. Easy and quick to prepare at home for your family. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Now I'm off to enjoy this delicious recipe. Thanks for watching us so far, see you next time and enjoy.